Welcome guys. Let's do Bitcoin technical analysis and price targets. And let me please show you my new charts and my new targets. So please watch this video until end and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter, links are in this video's description. And if you want to get these bonuses, Binance $700 bonus, Phemex $1,200 bonus, Bybit $1,600 bonus, KuCoin $100 bonus, Huobi $170 bonus, then these are the links. You can find these links in this video's comment section and in this video's description. And click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can get these bonuses, and you can also get 20% special trading fees discount once you register with my account, my affiliate link. This is Bitcoin 4 hourly USDT chart and Bitcoin USDT pair, and here you can see after creating top at $67,000, Bitcoin price is now $60,500. What does that mean? Let me please tell you. This is the main trend line, and it is unfortunately break by this candle. Here you can see. And now Bitcoin price is in this descending wedge, you can say falling wedge. And it is a bullish pattern. Yes, it is a bullish pattern. And major support Bitcoin price can be confined here at the level of $60,000, $59,850 to $60,000 price area. And if unfortunately Bitcoin price broke this area, in that case our next level we have to watch is this level, and this is the extreme important level for all of us, and it is at $58,000 price mark, and it is very important level to hold for the Bitcoin. If unfortunately Bitcoin fails to break this, in that case 53,000 will be our next target. I think Bitcoin have to hold these two levels that are very important levels to hold: $60,000 and $58,000. Once Bitcoin hold these levels, in that case definitely Bitcoin price will go up. And in my previous charts, I was show you this chart on my Twitter and on my Telegram, that Bitcoin is creating a ascending wedge, and maybe price can down to this level at major support level, which is at $58,000. Currently price is at $60,500 price area, and I was show you that once Bitcoin price hit this major support zone, $58,000, in that case we may see a big pump in Bitcoin price, and price can hit $70,000. This will be the criteria, and Bitcoin is following my chart, and my criteria is right now is very important, and this is the area to hold, $58,000. Let me please show you some indicators, and after that I will show you some important things. Here you can see, Unfortunately, Bitcoin candles break this EMA ribbon and close 4 hourly candle below this, and that is not a good sign. Why I am saying this? Let me please show you. Here you can see, once Bitcoin candles broke this towards upside, in that case we see a move of 24 to 25% price up, and after that here you can see, if I calculate it from bottom to top, in that case here you can see, let me please show you. Here you can see Bitcoin candles broke EMA 4 hourly ribbon and closed 4 hourly candles above this. In that case we see a 54% price up movement, and here you can see how beautifully Bitcoin price hold this EMA ribbon. But unfortunately after several attempts, Bitcoin price break this EMA ribbon towards downside. And let me please show you the other side of this picture. Here candle broke this EMA ribbon towards downside, and after that we see a impulsive move of 16% down, price down, and Bitcoin price candles trying to break this EMA ribbon but fails, price candles attempts to break this EMA ribbon towards upside but fails, and now candles break this, and after that we see a 50% uptrend rally in Bitcoin price. Now what is next? The next levels to hold for the Bitcoin are very important. Let me please hide this EMA ribbon first. First level Bitcoin have to hold $60,000. After that $58,000, and after that this area $55,000 to $53,000 price area. Bitcoin have to hold this area, and if unfortunately Bitcoin price break $53,000 price area, in that case maybe price can go very down, but I don't think so. I think so price of the Bitcoin can hold this $58,000, and it is very important. Let me please show you daily chart. This is the daily chart, and that chart I was post on my Telegram and on my Twitter. Please follow me on Telegram and Twitter. And I was predict that Bitcoin was in this ascending wedge, and I was told you that price maybe can break this towards the downside, and after that it may be find support at $58,000, and after that we see a impulsive move. Here you can see Bitcoin candles break this ascending wedge towards the downside, and here Bitcoin price can find some support, and after finding support level from there, price of the Bitcoin can easily hit $70,000. I think so. It is very important. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. Daily EMA ribbon is still far away, and it is good sign, and daily EMA ribbon starting from this level $58,000 price area, and if candles broke $51,000 price area, in that case bear trend will begin, I think so. Until now I am bullish. And let me please show you some other indicators. First of all, RSI. Daily RSI is at 60. Anything above 50 is bullish to me, and it is maybe it can go down to 50, and after that price can move up. We have to wait. Let me please show you daily MACD. That is not a good sign. Daily MACD crossover is about to happen towards downside, and if I zoom this, you can see this crossover is happening right now. Here you can see, and towers are also changing their color, and red towers are going to appear. That is why maybe price can go down to $58,000 price area, maybe $53,000. My last hope, $53,000. But my first and strong hope is $58,000. After that, $53,000. These are two hope lines. These are two support lines, you can say, hope lines, you can say. Very important. And let me please show you Fib levels. Here you can see, if I consider it, if I calculate it from bottom to top, and after that I have to manage this. Let me please do this. Here you can see Bitcoin price unfortunately break this first support line, which was 0.23 Fibonacci level, and it was at $60,900 price area. But unfortunately Bitcoin closed daily candle below this area, 0.23 Fibonacci level. In now next level is to hold is 0.38, and it is at this range, $57,000 price area. $58,000 to $57,000, these are two very important areas, but I think $58,000 is most important area to me. And after that, this area, let me please $53,800, and it is at 0.5, which it is very important, very important level to hold, $53,800. If unfortunately Bitcoin price broke this, in that case it can hit $50,000, maybe $46,000. But these two levels have to hold. These two levels are very important for the Bitcoin to hold, and these levels are 0.38, $57,000 price area, and 0.5 Fibonacci level, which is $53,800 price level. These areas are very important to hold for the Bitcoin. Once Bitcoin price broke this, in that case maybe we may see some down trend, maybe bear trend, very that will be the bad luck. Here you can see after every impulsive move we see a down move, after every impulsive move we see a correction, after every move. Here you can see a big move towards upside, and after that we are seeing a correction zone. But I think at $58,000 it have to move towards upside, because it will be the biggest spot for the Bitcoin, and I think so it can be the biggest spot for the Bitcoin. And let me please show you my main indicator, CPR indicator. Here you can see how beautiful this indicator is. After hitting these three bullish target, this was first bullish target, this was second bullish target, and this was third bullish target, $64,700 price area. Bitcoin price is ready to hit second CPR level, bullish level, and it is at 58,500, same level which I mentioned early. $58,000 price area is very important, and it will be the support zone for the Bitcoin price. And if unfortunately it break this, in that case, here you can see the last level to hold is $51,000 price area, but I don't think. I think this area is very important. 58,500, 58,000, 57,000. This is the area to hold for the Bitcoin, and after that we may see a impulsive move in Bitcoin price. That is it, guys. I hope you like this analysis. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now. And if you want to trade on these exchanges, Binance, Pmex, Bybit, and if you want to collect these bounces, then please go to in this video's description where you can find the links. Click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can get these bounces. But for this you have to deposit and you have to verify your accounts. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.